The Galaxy S24 series is expected to launch early next year, probably in January. At least 3 versions are expected this time: the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, like its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, is expected to have the S Pen. This is now confirmed since the gadget has been spotted on Bluetooth. The product number EJPS928 of the Galaxy S24 Ultra S Pen has been spotted on the Bluetooth SIG website, indicating accessory support. The S Pen's model number is the same as the SMS928 connected with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The same was confirmed earlier this week by Brazil's Anatel certification portal. The Bluetooth certification indicates that the Galaxy S24 Ultra would have a S Pen, but no further information has been disclosed. So we don't know whether the S Pen will get any additional features or capabilities. For the Galaxy S24 Ultra, however, several tweaks have been tipped. Samsung is expected to launch a golden-framed version of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 series is tipped to launch in 6 color variants: black, gray, violet, yellow, green, blue, and orange. The phone's black bezel is also tipped to be symmetrical, with the punch hole now smaller and shifted down somewhat. The main camera sensor on the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to be 200MP one of 1.3-inch with 100x zoom support. Additionally, it could feature a 12MP Sony IMX564 ultra-wide camera and a 10MP Sony IMX754 Plus telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The smartphone is expected to feature a 6.8-inch WQHD Plus display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor will most likely power it. On the Galaxy S24 Ultra, we may possibly see a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging support. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.